What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam POV, and the title of the video is "Woman Throws Out Wannabe Gangster Son, and This Happens."
He brainwashed everybody, the kids, her. He's a
Hey, 42, can you be en route for a skull sample?
On July 25th, 2023, officers responded to a residence in reference to a trespass person. The caller reported that her son dropped a grumpy in her yard.
Where are you coming from? From where?
My neighbor's house.
Neighbor's house?
Yeah.
All right. So we got a call that you might have, showed a little too much of yourself. Like, showed some body parts you shouldn't have. Indecent exposure. C unit?
So what? She let me use the bath. She gave me tissue.
Okay.
Yeah. And she said I could use the restroom. And I used the restroom.
Where'd you use the restroom at?
Right there beside the AC unit.
Okay.
My son boy off over here.
Uh-huh.
I be letting him come to the end of the drive because I know it's hot.
Yep.
So I get on water and stuff.
Okay.
He got somewhere to stay. On the way, he won't carry his ass home.
Mm-hmm.
Came banging on the door this morning, waking everybody up in the house. I said, Queen, leave. I got, give me some tissue. Keep him on the steering with the kid. I got an 8-year-old and a 2-year-old.
Uh-huh.
I gave him some tissue. I thought he gonna go there in the damn wood. That little joke right by my air conditioner.
Yeah. Well, did you invite him over today?
No, I didn't.
No, he just came over by himself?
He just came over.
Okay. I don't want to, but where's your AC unit so I can go look? I can't really do much about him using the bathroom there. No one saw him use it, I assume. You watched him use it?
I was right there in the back.
Oh, you watched him use it. Okay, I thought you just came out here and noticed it.
No.
It's a piece of wood blocking the door. She said I showed too much of my body for her. She was sitting there watching me use the bath. I said, you gonna sit here and watch me use it?
Did she say anything while you were using the bathroom?
She said, once I done already started, she said, oh, well, you gonna use the bathroom right there? Man, look, you look at the stuff. I couldn't run in no freaking woods to go use the bathroom. It was a super emergency.
Okay. Other question. Did you see anything? Like, did you see any of his body parts?
I saw his butt when you were pulling up his clothes. I guess it's on the other side.
Okay. I don't want to step in it. Oh, yeah.
He really used it over there?
He sure did. Quite a lot. Toilet paper's still there.
Why were you over there to begin with?
Oh, she let me spend the night over there. She let me sleep in the car last night.
Okay.
I have nowhere to go.
Because you're barred from over there, right?
Of course I am.
So officers are out with him now. He is barred. Usually that means an arrest. Is that something you'd want to do?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I think it's your son, right? So I think with that, this is state anyways. We'll handle all that. And you watched him like squat down, but
Yes,
didn't know for sure if he used? Okay. Just didn't know for sure if he used it.
I said, you gonna do that right here? You know we got kids running around here.
Mm-hmm.
You could have let me in use the bathroom.
Gotcha. So he came over this morning and asked for toilet paper so he can go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
So you gave him some toilet paper thinking he was going to go in the woods.
Yes.
And there's other times you have invited him over to get some water and stuff, but for the most part, you don't invite him. He just comes over.
Yes.
Okay. Gotcha. I think that barn's up until October. Is that something you want to extend, or you just want to go through October and then go from there?
I'll go from there.
Okay. All right. And what's your birthday?
1966.
If you don't mind me asking, just because I've never been out here before, what was he doing to get barred?
What did he do?
So like a bunch of different things, or was there one in particular that?
It wasn't in particular about when my daughter was still little, about 2 or 3 years ago.
Okay.
He called the police and got me locked up.
Okay.
And the welfare folk were involved with then, because like I said, my daughter was alive, we had her kids.
Mm-hmm.
And she told me that we just need to bar him.
But she let me sleep over there.
Okay.
She gave me the okay to be over there last night. She do that and then get mad and want to call the police on me. She let me sleep in the car.
Gotcha.
He's claiming she allowed him to stay there last night and sleep in the car.
Yes.
He wasn't. He came over to get toilet paper and then did use the bathroom. She watched him on the other side of the AC unit.
Look, you can go and look. She opened the door, gave me chips, I have nothing. I'm homeless. I don't have nowhere to go.
Yeah.
And I guess she felt sorry for me, and she let me sleep in the car last night.
And she just got mad because of where you pooped?
Yes, that is crazy.
Okay.
Cause I knocked on the door earlier. I don't know if they did some of these tater chips or not. But, you know, I knocked on there, I ate some last night, and I went to sleep in the car. So this morning, I'm like, good gracious, you know, and yes, I knocked on the door. You know, she took all day to get there, first of all. I like to on myself. So anyway, she finally come with the tissue to the door, here. So I go and use the bathroom. I couldn't make it to the woods, okay? So I used the bathroom by the AC unit. And she got mad because of where I used the restroom, man, and called the police on me.
When she handed you the tissue, did she say to go anywhere?
No, that's the thing. She didn't say, well, go to the woods and use the bathroom, or she didn't give me no specific spot. So I went to the quickest, safest spot I could possibly go. Okay. You got the porch, you got the AC unit. It's a piece of wood blocking the foot. You can go and look. It's a decent spot to take a poop if you got a poop and it's an emergency. No, seriously, don't laugh at me. It's a decent spot. You blocked in, can't nobody see you. The woods in front of you.
All
you
right.
know, it's a good block spot.
Why didn't you ask to go inside to use the bathroom?
Honestly, I believe the dude. I ain't gonna lie. I believe the guy's story. Now, you know, he probably gonna get in trouble, you know, whatever. But I do actually believe this guy's story because it makes more sense. Like, he's homeless. She let me stay in the car. She gave me some chips last night. I woke up, you know, everybody, listen, me and you know what we got to do in the morning. We got to take a poop. You know what I mean? Most of the time, you got to, you know, your morning don't even get started until you take your morning shit. Let's be honest. So I believe that. And, you know, if he couldn't go, his drink was bubbling, you know, he couldn't make it. If he tried to make it to the woods, it was, and it's not like he pooped in the middle of the lawn. Like, either way, it's foul regardless. But like, he did try to do it in a discreet place. So it wasn't just out and out. I do believe his story, I must say, because even with the mom, it's like she has him barred, right? But she let him come over and stuff like that. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's not like strict. But she has that leverage. So when he does something that she don't like, she could call the cops. Because she got the leverage, because he's technically not supposed to be there. But you let him there, though. Type that. I believe his story. I'm not even going to lie to you.
They some funny. They the devil, man. They the devil. They won't let me shower. They won't let me do nothing. They won't let me shower. I ain't took a shower in 3-4 days, man. Some bull. I'm just stay the off and over there. Cause every single time it be some bull.
Yeah.
Like every single time it's some bull.
Who are they to you?
Oh, my stepdad, which is Lucifer. My mom, he done brainwashed everybody. The kids, her. He's a. He got a case with my husband. He got a real bad drug problem.
Yeah, I think that's on our system, is where he's a known drug user. So
Yeah, and me and my husband was taking him to advantage to get some help. And he got aggravated and he punched my husband in the face.
Yeah.
That case still going on.
Gotcha. Do you know where he stayed last night?
I have the slightest idea.
Okay.
He just pops up.
Do you ever let him stay in your car or anything like that?
No, I did not.
Okay.
I keep my car door locked.
Keep door locked. He doesn't like sleep on the property, like underneath anything or anything like that.
No,
that you know of. Where does he stay at?
You know where they got them tents at on Barber Street?
Yeah.
That's his.
Okay. Cool.
He don't want me around. Period. At all.
That's his decision.
That's his decision. You know, that's his house. But he's manipulating them people, man. Their brain. They manipulating their brain, bro. I'm just stay the hell off and over there, like, cause every time it's something. Like she allowed me to come over there. Like the other day, her lawyer called.
Mm-hmm.
And was like, well, I couldn't know this. if she wouldn't allow me to be over there. This day,
Can you find out if he was invited over there?
she allowed me to come in the house.
So are there, the other officers are asking. I guess he's saying that he slept in the car last night.
Yeah,
So
that's what he said.
that's what he says. Okay. But he's not supposed to.
No, he don't.
Okay. Okay.
Let me see.
I'm looking now too. So.
Yeah, I mean, the safest thing for you, though, is if,
Just stay
you know,
away.
just stay away.
Yeah,
If
stay
you got
away.
somewhere else to go.
Her lawyer called. And like I'm supposed to have court today. So I was like, they were like, well, you ain't gonna be on the trial calendar for this week, so you ain't gotta go to court today. So I wouldn't know this.
Mm-hmm.
I would have been at court. You see what I'm saying? So I'm like, well, ask the lady, do I have to be to court? Ask her specifically, do I have to go to court? She was like, well, you need to be quiet because you really don't supposed to be over here. She allowed me to come over here and they set me up and try to call.
Yeah, but you see where that's you're putting yourself in a dangerous
I'm
position.
putting myself in that situation.
Exactly.
I'm done with it. Like I ain't got time for this. Like all this because I took a with the tissue you gave me. Like come on, man, that don't make no sense.
So why take a dump and then leave the scene?
9-4. She doesn't believe he slept in the car. She says that he's not allowed to be in any of them, and it should have been locked up last night. Was it unlocked?
It was unlocked in
Okay.
the extension cord. He must be asleep in my car.
Okay, so he did sleep in your car, but he didn't have permission.
No, he did not.
Okay. Oh, see.
See, but she said at first that her car be locked. And apparently now it's unlocked. The extension cord there, he did. It's a tough situation, but the officer is right. You know, the officer is right. He puts himself in that predicament because he know that he barred, and you keep going over there, whether she invites you or not. You putting yourself in a tough spot.
Oh, there we go.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I ain't want to see.
Because they started arguing.
Yes, I don't want to see you guys. I'm not finna fuss with her, and I'm not. And I really actually got shit again. Actually, to be honest with you, like if she want to fuss at me, la 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 la, I'm not finna do that. What time is it? About 7 in the morning. What time is it? About 7 o'clock in the morning.
7:05.
I'm finna be out there arguing with her at 7:05 in the morning. You got neighbors.
Where'd you sleep last night?
In our car.
What kind of car was it?
It's a Honda.
Honda?
If you go look at it, it's a cord. I got power. It's a cord hanging from her door. A cord that's hooked up outside, it's an extension cord. I plug my phone up in to charge my phone. I slept in the car all night. She allowed me to. And she's so evil, she'll say, well, no, I didn't. I didn't allow him to do that, but you unlocked the door so that I could get in there and sleep in the car.
Good.
9-4. We can't enter to look at the cars. It looked like he slept in one of the vehicles, had an extension cord to it, but she did not give him permission. He's not supposed to be in any of the vehicles here.
Get to lock my car, dog.
Gotcha. Well, it definitely makes sense if he had a phone charger, or he had the charger in there, so I didn't notice it coming up.
So what we're going to do is we're going to get you to set your stuff on the trunk right here, okay? Go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
And what am I going to jail for?
It's going to be a criminal trespass.
When she allowed me to come over there.
Well, you know, it's like I was saying, you're the one in the dangerous position where she can just say that that's not the case. And, you know, the fact that you were over there and that barring's on the books,
Right.
you know, that's something we kind of have to deal with.
She allowed me to come.
Yeah.
I mean, with the whole thing in the back, what I'd suggest, get a hose and just hose that thing down. Don't let the kids around it for now. And but it's a pretty good amount. I have a weak stomach when it comes to that stuff, so I'm gonna stay over here. But I gave you a case card, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to search him real quick?
Yeah.
You got anything on you?
Come on,
That's
where
what
your
9-4,
gloves at,
1095.
man?
Oh, shit. Oh.
Man, when I was a CO, man, I'm not patting nobody down without no gloves, man. Especially someone like this, if I was an officer, you not patting him that he's homeless, he just shit, you know he ain't wash his hands, like you cuffing him, where's your gloves, man? Where's your gloves? Like, come on, that's nasty. That's nasty work, boy.
I don't know if the jail will take his chips.
You should throw away food.
Bring it back to the mom, I guess.
You know, the chips might be the deciding factor here. If she gave him the chips, then, I mean, surely.
6-7, ask about it.
Yeah. 9-4 to 6-7.
It's his mom, right?
She gave him the chips and the tissue paper. And the tissue paper. Like, let's keep it a band here.
So it's a DV charge? Criminal trespass?
Your mom stay there? She the one that called us?
What you think?
I'm just trying to figure out the relationship.
Saying, bro, y'all already locking me up for she allowed me to do, so just close the door and let me go to jail.
Yep, it's his mom.
Yeah, so he just got put in handcuffs just then. So I'm gonna head down there and talk to them. And if you have any other questions, just holler at us, okay?
So they got it.
Yep. I hope you have a better day. Thanks.
So he's got some chips that he said that she gave him.
So he's not supposed to be there when he comes by because he's always on stuff. She might give him some water because it's been so hot, but she's like, I haven't seen him. I don't want him over here. He's been barred. Apparently there's ongoing domestics between him and the stepdad and everyone else. So she's like, I don't want him here. And if he comes over, I might give him water and makes him leave. But she's like, this morning he came banging, wanting TP. And then, I mean, everywhere.
The only other thing was the chips, because he was holding a bag of chips.
I mean, there was
said
She gave him the chips.
Yeah, she said
And
she didn't give him anything.
just mad because
just
he
told him
told
to
by the
leave,
AC
so.
unit instead of out in the woods.
Yeah. So, but that's what I asked. Like, would you invite him today? And she goes, I didn't invite him. He comes over sometimes, and I give him water. It's the first thing she said. He's like, but I didn't have him over. He came knock on the door this morning. I don't know where he came from. And then a little bit later, that's when you asked. I mean, it's already 10 minutes past when I asked, like, does he stay out here somewhere? She's like, I don't know where he stays. He says he sleeps in the car, but I don't see him out there.
All right. Well, to 600 we go.
I'll get here to go take pictures if you need. Get a
samples.
little stool sample.
Get a Q-tip.
Hey,
Put
like,
it for DNA
hey,
testing.
42, can you be en route for a stool sample? I'll just text her.
Bring some fresh water. This little snap thing. Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
I looked into what the suspect was saying, and I did find the stepdad on the registry list, but that doesn't mean what the suspect is saying is true. The suspect was booked for criminal trespass, remains on property after notice given, and public indecency.
Yeah. Damn, she with a pedophile? That's crazy. Now that's crazy within itself. You got kids around, you know, the stepdad is a pedophile. That's crazy. Oh man. But anyways, yeah. I think both of them are he caught up in a tight situation. She be allowing them come over. Like that from what I'm hearing, whether she allow him or not, whatever, she's not as innocent as she's portraying in this situation. I mean, how does he get the toilet paper? How did he get the chips? He don't even live over there. So it's like he stayed in the car. Most people do have their cars locked at night. You know what I mean? Unless you live like maybe in the woods somewhere, like, but you know, the car wasn't just unlocked. How did he ain't unlock it himself? You know what I'm saying? So, and I doubt that he will walk all the way over there and in hopes of the car being unlocked. You know what so it's a tough situation, but you know, I get officers, man, they did okay, but they did their job, but you really don't know who to believe in this situation, honestly. So I get a cops a 3 out of 5. They did all right. But yeah, let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below. I'm gonna catch you in the next video.